And if you wanna see it, visualize it. Now it's millions that we've been discussing, and it was a thought. Thought I was bluffing, and I know that they waiting to see what I come with. I told you my best, then I keep my covenants. Hold up. Nevertheless, I'm who they fuck with. I'm the go-to guy. You niggas go too shy. No Kanye's or comments. I'm coming. And don't ask me who I like in the game right now. I'll say no comments. Yo, I'm taking with my niggas about this bitch. Hold up. I had to drop my tapes. Tell me no hold-ups. Like my VIP. We don't do no hold-ups.
Oh, damn, time for some propaganda.
Tell ya, hold up. Hold up, hold up. Tell ya, hold up.
Weasel News.
Devin Weston profits from Congress's decision to allow Meriwether Security Consulting to expand domestic operations.
Gang crime is on the rise. Experts blame lack of movies.
The funding war between security agencies rages in the capital.
It's official. Epsilonism is not a cult.
Credits roll on another historic violent movie studio.
The ball sack in wild swings again as stocks drop.
Devin Weston,
Slick wheel work.
millionaire investing guru, was celebrating along with Don Percival, CEO of a controversial private security business yesterday. Weston announced his fund had taken an 11% stake in Meriwether. Percival, meanwhile, was happy after defeating a government plan to outlaw the expansion of Meriwether's domestic operations. Expect more privatized high-security firms to begin domestic operations as the war on terror continues to rage.
Gang crime is on the rise, and politicians are blaming lack of media coverage and sensationalism. The recent fall in the popularity of gang movies, focusing on both African American and Hispanic street.
I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. You are all the same. You're disgusting. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, bull? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man. I don't say that.
You fucking right, and you better keep it right, because this man right here, he's an international businessman, a multiculturalist.
That I could not have said better myself. But seriously, maybe he's not a racist. But I don't think that he is man enough for a car like this.
Wait a second.
This guy right here, him, get him a hybrid. That's a real man's car.
I think you are right, Lamar. You get a tax rebate. I understand. Money is an issue, eh? So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie? This chump change. How I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch if I ain't got a fat pizzaki?
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise, with all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
No, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
No, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe you got rid of that old yee ass.